Timmy, you get 2 tries. If you make us restart twice, you're going inside. Hey, I'm Elias, and I just ordered my bike. We're going to do an unboxing. This is my homie B stand, just in case I don't know of what
He's been biking for like 4 days, so I'm here to name the parts for him.
So, oh, well, right here, we got the Fiend Time All frame. Some point. It's right here. We get the cool sticker with the swordfish or whatever it is. Right here, we got my bottom bracket from Shadow. That's actually a sick box.
It is.
Keeping that box. Cinema.
Yeah.
We got the cinema, it's front rim.
Yeah.
Front rim. Cinema front rim, it's good because on my other bike it's completely destroyed. Is this these are my JJ pedals. You know, JJ Palm here. Rides for Primo, yeah. So I've heard. Oh, these are my 4 pegs in my sweet dance comp shirt.
This is green. You got, what do you have? You got 4
Dance comp all day.
Primo pegs, you got Fiend headset,
Of which,
probably has a sticker.
I'm keeping these boxes too.
Fiend cranks.
So this should be my cranks, this should be my forks, right?
4 too.
Should I open these right now?
Right. Yeah. So we're gonna put that together.
My whole order was on backward because of these goddamn pegs.
Nice. Are we going?
Yeah, you just got it up. Hey, this is Elias, and this is the bike we just took out of the box. As you can see, there's a clock over there. It's about 6 hours different. Anywho, this is my bike check. We got a Time V2 frame. It's got a 27.5?
No, 20.75.
20.75 top tube.
Word.
I got these ODI grips right here. No motor grip, not even little. Some Fiend bars.
8.75 brass.
There you go. Fit. Got a Fit Lightco top load. Nice. And move down my forks, I guess. These are my forks. They're Fiend forks.
Fiend embryo forks and a Fiend headset too.
Yep. And then I got 2 Primo pegs on here. I ordered plastic, but I got metal. It's cool. And I got this. Is this? I don't remember what
It's
this
a
is.
Cinema VX.
Cinema. The X front rim.
With a Shadow tread on there.
Yeah.
Yep.
That matters. Anyways, this is the Primo JJ pedal I got because I just like rocking Fiend stuff. These are Fiend cranks, believe it or not. This is a Sabrosa seat.
Should have got a Fiend seat.
Yeah, I should have. I should have got the. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know what kind of sprockets this is.
So Odyssey MDS bash guards brought
There you go.
with a stupid ghetto chain.
Yeah, this is a
half
mismatched
white
chain.
and some gold.
And moving back to this tire, we've got
Animal tread.
Animal Tread.
E-clat tire.
Is this E-clat?
It's E-clat. Yeah.
We got a sweet metal peg there, and we have 1 plastic, so I'm rocking 3 metal pegs and 1 plastic peg.
He's got a Shadow guard on the
Yeah,
side.
it's over here.
And then he also has a Shadow bottom bracket.
Yeah.
And then
Okay,
just
now-
a random seat post. We have no idea.
Can we cut this out? Because I don't have anything else. Anything to end on, Ben?
Style.
Oh yeah, shout out to Savage Crew for keeping me rolling, and